traders from across the globe. Nice to be back. Nice to have you watching. Nice to have these markets whipping around. Good evening and welcome to the 1384th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This 1384th edition of these educational videos is being filmed on a Monday night for Trading Tuesday. That is October 13th, 2015. As you know, futures trading is extremely risky these days. Volatility is out of control. Always use stops. This is not for all traders. Make sure you've got risk capital to lose. You should know this game if you're going to get involved. For you cowboys, you know, poo, 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 choo, choo, ting, ting, ting. You know what I'm saying? Do a little hat dance here. For you nuts that can't stop yourselves, let's rock and roll. Green Omni on the board, ES, NASDAQ, Russell. Once again, clap for the green Omnis. We gotta love them, right? We are almost out of the woods in ES and NASDAQ. The charts are almost out of the woods where we can start looking for an extended run-up. I can't call exactly that's happening right now, just till we get out of the woods. But we are almost out of the woods. Almost out of the woods. Let's see what's going to happen with that. I say that these markets are really getting ready for something dynamic here. I hope it's a nice run-up. I think the charts that I'm about to show you will show that. Traders in the news, I keep hearing Volkswagen, 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 Volkswagen. Let me tell you, there is no way Volkswagen is the only lone culprit here. It's too easy. It was too simple. You know we're going to find out at least 3 or 4 more or other car companies have done the same thing by cheating on emissions. I think that's coming our way. I don't know. There's just too much Volkswagen talk. How could it possibly? How could they be the only ones who came up with the scheme? I say the hammer drops on at least 2 or 3 other car companies, but we'll play that one day at a time. Traders, one of the things I wanted to mention right before I show you the charts, why I believe we're almost out of the woods in ES and NASDAQ, is that markets lately have been confused. They're confused for one reason. Will we get a rate hike or will we not get a rate hike? Do we need one? Do we not need one? The Fed has signaled, not signaled, almost signaled, maybe next year, maybe this year, possibly this month, possibly next month. Getting a little bit convoluted here. In my opinion, 35 years in this business, here's what I think. Aunt Janet, do a surprise quarter-point rate hike at the next meeting. Don't tell anyone in the world when the meeting starts. First words out of your mouth, surprise rate hike 25%. Let's get this party started. Why? You've got things confused. What you need to do now is just make it happen so the markets go and back to work we get to go because now everyone knows what's coming. You need to do this. Now, will it happen? I doubt it. I don't think they're going to do it. But I think that would be the best medicine to just stop the confusion, make it happen all at once, and away we go. Anyone who's ever worked in the pit on the floor knows the best thing that could ever happen is the frenzy happens, boom, boom, everything goes crazy, because then the market goes right back where it was going to begin with. So that's what we need, in my opinion. Lord knows if it would actually happen. I say the U.S. can handle it. I say the Fed's already backlogged on when they wanted to do it. Why not just do it by surprise? Don't say anything. Get the party started. My opinion only. Let's see what happens. Traders, with no further ado, let's go look at why we are almost out of the woods on charts. Okay, traders, the first chart this evening I'm going to show you is a chart I've been showing you in video after video. It's the Dow Jones Transportation Average, deemed the leader of U.S. indices. I have shown you that countless times we have failed at this purple line, the OMNI Trading Academy's proprietary moving average. Get near it, fail, get near it, fail, get near it, fail. Same thing, a little above it, fail, get near it, fail, a little above it, fail. Look what happens this time. We get above it, we get above it higher, we come back to here and settle up there. Interesting, right? That's different from this one, and 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 this one. Different. Gotta like that. We're above the Omni, and it's not turning around yet, so you gotta love that, and the Omni's green. Dow Jones Industrial Average Daily Bar, a nice F flag. Look, nice tight, and what's it running into? The OTAPMA. Now, the leader got over it. Shouldn't one of the followers get over it if the leader did? I say it should until it doesn't. Let's see what happens. Dow Jones and the tranny. Now we have the NASDAQ. 200 bar moving average. Interesting, the NASDAQ chart. Showed this to you in a couple of videos where we had the inverted head and shoulders, which is bullish. Then we had the F flag, which is also bullish. And now we are getting above the 200 bar moving average because that's where it is at the close of business on Monday. The average is here. We're just above it right now. Let's be hopeful we can stay above the 200 bar. The fund managers will come running right in. Then we've got the Russell 2000. Again, another inverted head and shoulders, which is a bullish signal. Then we had this F flag in here, which I pointed out to you in a video, a bullish signal. The F flag has turned into a bull flag, a little one here, another bullish signal. Let's go. Let's see what happens. Why not in the Russell? Then we've got this. E-mini S&P. Many traders are wondering, is this a double top? Is this a double top here and here? Well, maybe it is, but none of the other indices are in a double top formation right now. And I think that because indices run together, you need more than one double top to call a double top. You never know. That's at least what I see. So F flag, and this red line represents this top, and we are actually above it on both days, Friday and Monday, just slightly, and inside the F flag. The Omni is still pointing up. We have not broken these formations. We have not proved this is a double top. We are buying dips in the E-mini S&P and NASDAQ and Russell most likely for trading on Tuesday. Okay, traders, so you've seen the chart. You've got my technical argument for why we've got the green arrow to start off the indices day on Tuesday. Almost out of the woods, E-mini S&P and NASDAQ, and I believe we are. Let's hope we continue higher. And come on down and join me at livewithoscar.com. I'm in my live trading room just about 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. Come on down and join me, as much of that as I can be in. Traders, I've got nothing else to say. You know why? Just this. Let's go, Mets. I'm going back downstairs to watch the end of the game. They're up by 7 right now. I'll check you cats out later. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. I'll see you at livewithoscar.com. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.